Adding a new patient to your patient list. On the left-hand side where you see patient list, there is a little green icon that looks like a man. When you click that icon, you, it will open up area for you to put in their name, social security number if you wanted. Patient status automatically goes to active, but you can change that as needed. You could add the physician at this point, their gender if you wanted to, as well as their date of birth, and any other comments you want to make. The medical record number at the top, just so you're aware, this is optional. We assign a medical record number for the patients that we utilize, but this is available if you wanted to set up your own numbering system for your patients in your specific software.